Follow me on Twitter and on Library. Hello, and thank you for coming by to Apis Bull. Before we get into some of the coins and market analysts, I want to give you a little information about myself. I've been trading stocks since I was 16 years old. I have done bonds. I have done corporate bonds, municipal bonds, mutual funds, commodities, futures, such as corn and soybean oil, lumber, cotton, pork bellies, and things of that nature. I've done real estate trading, not as in actual houses, but with trading firms or for real estate contracts. And last but not least, I'm in the blockchain coin trading, Bitcoin, Ethereum. And in 93 and 94, I was in the United States Investment Championships, which you had to, if you wanted to be in it, you had to fork over $500 cash to be a participant. And then before the days of the internet, so there was no online trading where they can track you. You had to submit every month your stockbroker's monthly statement. So every time the stockbroker, at the end of the month, they would mail out your statement. You'd make photocopies or send in the originals. I think the originals had to be sent in to the judges, and winners, the first winner in each category, such as stocks, mutual funds, and then there's futures trading, and there was options trading. The winners were picked up by big brokerage firms. And during 93 and 94, I was listed in Investors Business Daily like 3 or 4 times. So I've been around. So if you want to be a good trader or investor, what you're going to have to do is get rid of your emotions and just pay attention to the facts and history, patterns, facts. Some people are fundamentalists. They pay attention to fundamentals, earnings per share. And, some people are technical traders. They look at where the money's flowing, what the pattern of the price bar is, and all that stuff. And that's okay, as long as you don't get involved with your emotions. Now, some people have issues with emotions. Now, I posted a video 5 days ago, I'm thinking, that theta was, I said short theta because I think it was going to come down. And within 22 hours of the video, this person, second from the top, is, you can see that this is extremely emotional. There is no data other than Samsung is going to, if that information has already been put out to the public, then the price has already been, the price is already reflecting what's going to happen. And so, so I put out the video. 22 hours later, I get this comment, and then 24 hours after that, I get this theta is just crashing, and I'm like, I told you to short it, but you're all upset, and I don't know why. Well, I think I do know why, because you loaded up on theta, maybe at a high price. I'm not sure where you got in at, but your emotions would indicate that maybe you probably got in at a little high. I don't know. Maybe you did get in low. But now we're at as you can see, right here, we're at a bottom of the cycle. We're almost at a bottom. Money flow is slowing down. Now this is the daily chart. So money flow is slowing down. Stochastics are hitting somewhere near bottom. Yes, tomorrow it could be an up day. Possibly, maybe not. I don't know. I think it's still coming down. But I do think within a couple of days, yes, I think there's going to be a short little bounce. But let's go to the weekly chart. Weekly chart. We are still at, it's coming down sharply, and we're still at a top of the cycle. Money flow. So this thing, this theta thing, you know, whatever. I think it's coming down. So more, not only some more, but a lot more. I mean, you know, but there are people out there. Now, it's okay if you want to disagree. If you want to post a disagreement, go ahead, post a disagreement. But if you are going to be emotional about it, I don't think you are going to be doing very well when you go to Vegas. I think when you go to Vegas, you're going to lose. You're going to lose big time because your emotions are clouding your head. You're not using logic. And then check out this one. Check out. So this guy, okay. It says it's going to go to 20. Well, maybe, possibly. 2020, not likely. 2021, yeah, it's possible. 2023, So, yeah, I'm not saying it'll never go to 20. I'm just saying that, you know, you guys are shooting for the moon a little too soon. Your emotions, and I don't know if he's just emotional or. Obviously, there's no timeline for his statement, but it's okay to disagree. It's not okay to get emotional. Your emotions will destroy you. They will make you go broke. So, you know, I still think theta, maybe, you know, I don't know. Personally, I don't know what they do. I don't read about them. I have no idea what it is that they do. All I know is that I look at history, I look at the facts, and I go, okay, I'll just play what I know rather than play what I feel. Now let's take a look at theta's history. It goes sharply up, and then it comes all the way back down to the bottom. It goes sharply up and all the way back down to the bottom to the beginning. So that's theta's history. So it's going to go up and, well, it's going to go all the way back down to the bottom for three, you know. It did it 2 other times. Is it going to do it a third time? Possibly. Maybe, maybe not. But in the meantime, I would still be shorting theta. So I don't want to spend a whole lot of time on people's comments. Go ahead, disagree. I don't care. If you want to learn, that's nice. That's good. If you are a day trader, my videos are not for you. If you're a swing trader, where you're in it for like 5 days, couple months, you know, or if you're a long-term trader, or actually a long-term would be more like an investment, you know, you hold it out for a year or so, you know, that's what I do. Swing trade, long-term, that's what I do. Sometimes I turn around, you know, offload, and sometimes I hold on for years. But that, for now, I'm going to put out a video. I'm going to put out a video in about a day or two, and I'm going to go over all the coins. Go ahead and put in the comments what coins you want me to cover. But get rid of the emotions. If you want to succeed as a trader / investor, go with the facts, go with the history, go with the odds. You know, Nothing's ever 100%, but when you notice patterns, you can actually calculate patterns. It's like the 92% chance this will happen. So everything can be calculated, and you just execute the calculation and the trade. Don't go by your emotions. Okay, so I am on Twitter. I'm on Library. Go ahead and subscribe and follow me, and I will see you in a couple of days with more coins. This video I put out in January of 2018, titled Doomsday of the Oil Industry Collapse. So that was almost 2.5 years ago. I can see. I'm not a prophet. I'm not a soothsayer, but there are things that I can see that are likely to happen. They are calculable, and all I do is just execute my odds, not my emotions. All right, see you next time. I'll have more coins, more data, more information. Thank you very much. I just got done watching this video that's over 2 years old. I just got done making my video, and then I went to watch this video that I made 2.5 years ago to see what it is that I said. I didn't talk a whole lot about oil, but you can see in the description area where it says lower gas prices will bring financial destruction to the oil industry. Lower oil prices may bring lower silver and gold prices, but not for long. Now, if you watch the first 5 minutes or so on 10x Pay, you can see that I was spot on about 10x Pay, and I didn't pay a whole lot of attention to the other coins that were inside this video. I was just noticing the first coin because it was, the first coin of the video. But that is a very good instructional video if you want to watch the first 3, 4, or 5 minutes on 10x Pay to learn about something that's going to completely collapse. And I mean collapse, because 10x Pay is like pretty much worthless. Because if you look at 10x Pay, this is 10x Pay. Yep, it's worthless. It's almost down to zero. So go ahead and look at the first couple of minutes of this video, so that you can identify what a loser chart is, and you can avoid those types of investments or trades, or maybe you want to get into those types of trades so that you can short it. So go ahead and check out the video. Thank you.